Can't imagine a world without you in it.
It's okay. It's okay. You're not gonna fall in.
Tried to walk together,
You're gonna be
but the
fine.
night was growing dark. Thought you were burning me, but I reached and you were gone. Sometimes I hear you calling from some lost and distant shore. I hear you crying softly for the way it was before. Where are you now? Are you lost? Will I find you again? Are you alone? Are you afraid? Are you searching for me? Why did you go? I had to stay. Now I'm reaching for you. Will you?
They said you were dead. Where have you been all this time? I'm sorry.
I see
I didn't mean for this to happen.
again.
It wasn't your fault, but I won't leave you. I won't let you go.
It took an
Finally decided to show up for work.
Sorry, got held up.
scars
Dad's
are
got work.
just a trace. Now it wanders lost and wounded, this heart that I misplaced. Where are you now? Are you lost? Will I find you again? Are you alone? Are you afraid? Are you searching for me? Why did you go? I had to stay. Now I'm reaching for you.
You know, you two are going to get yourselves in serious trouble. Not everyone appreciates this way of
I
life.
see you again.
Oh, it's all so messed up. I should have told you before now. Oh, but irresponsible. How is that irresponsible?
You're not a Viking. You're not my son.
Make a mess of everything.
No, you're not doing this to me again. Do you have any idea what my life has been like? I'm sorry.
For everything.